Hello everybody, my name is Sarah Kilpatrick. It's an absolute pleasure to be with you all today, and today I wanted to give you a little brief introduction into my summer research project. So today I'll be discussing a little bit about my project titled A Signal in the Snow. So I was really looking with Dr. Andy Quixote. We were taking a look at any connections associated between climate anomalies over the tropical Pacific, specifically with La Nina, and seeing how they can affect snowpack levels over the northern Cascades in the Pacific Northwest. So a little bit about me first, a little introduction. I'm originally from San Jose, California on the West Coast, and I'm a rising senior at NYU studying mathematics with a minor in data science. Briefly during the pandemic, I worked as a letter carrier at the post office. It was a really, really amazing experience, and I like to think that it brought me to where I am today. A few of the research questions that we really sought to answer this summer were kind of these three that you see here. Really, do these anomalies that we see over the tropical Pacific, do they tell us anything about weather changes or anomalies that we see right here in near Seattle today? Also, does the behavior in these seasonal timescales affect Seattle's water budget in any way? 13 million people rely on water here in the Pacific Northwest, so this is really important not only for the science, but also the communities that rely on it. And finally, which years really contribute the most to this budget? Are there any that stand out in any way? And spoiler effect, there are a few that do. So our goals and methods, our primary goal was really to study a subset of these very specific years that contribute to the majority of the Northern Cascades snowpack. And the way we did it, the way we went around it, was by studying and using statistical analysis of historical data from over 40 years back. If you come by my poster, and I hope you do, I hope that you decide to ask a few of these questions. Primarily, how did we choose these SNOTEL stations? There are so many, we chose just 19, so that was pretty important to us, as well as do non-OLR years, that's another important thing I'd like you to remember for my poster. Do these non-OLR years display the same kind of changes or anomalies as the OLR La Nina years do? And the final one is just to ask me anything about the methods or the statistical analysis that I conducted this summer. I was really proud to do it, and it's been a phenomenal experience, so I hope you guys come by my poster.